Today, the appearance day of Nityānanda Prabhu. Nityānanda Prabhu is Baladev, Baladev Tattva. Brajendra Nandana Jai Prachi Sutta Haila Chai. Balarāma Haila Nitāy, who was formerly the son of Nanda Maharaj. He has appeared as the son of Sachidev. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mother's name was Sachidev. So, Krishna. Krishna is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Balarāma is Nityananda. So Balarāma, in the Vedic literature it is said, Nāma Atma Balahinena Lakya Na Bhunasatena. Bala means strength. This ball, this strength is different. This is spiritual strength. Real strength is spiritual strength. That spiritual strength is Balarāma. Bala means strength. Therefore, we have to take shelter of the lotus feet of Balarāma. Guru Tattva. Balarāma means Guru Tattva. Balarāma represents Guru. Jasya prasadat Bhagavad prasad. If we want to understand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, if we want to understand Krishna, then we must take shelter of Balarāma. Nāma Atma Balahinena Labha. Balahinena. Labha, this Vedic injunction means without the mercy of Balarāma, you cannot understand, you cannot realize your spiritual identity. So that Balarāma comes as Nityananda Prabhu. Balarāma Haila Nityananda. Therefore, we must take shelter of Balarāma. That is, this song has been sung by Nityānanda Thakur, Nitai Pada Kamala Pati Chandra Sushi. If you take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu, then we get peace. Pati Chandra Sushi. It's like in daytime, especially in the summer season, we become very much exasperated. But at night, in the evening, as soon as there is moonshine, we become very much satisfied. All day's labor and fatigue is immediately moved. So, Nitai Pada Kamala is said of Nityananda Prabhu, lotus feet, is Koti Chandra Shashikar, as pleasing as 1 crore of moonshine. One moonshine gives us so much pleasure. So if we want actually peace of mind, if we actually want to be free from this material fatigueness, then we must take the shelter of Nityananda. So Nityananda Prabhu is the strength, spiritual strength, and without spiritual strength, you cannot approach Krishna. Nāyamatma pravacana, simply by talking nonsense. Nāyamatma pravacana labha. If you are a good speaker, that does not mean you'll understand yourself. Na medhaya, neither by good brain, because you have got very good brain, you will understand Krishna. No. Nāyamatma pravacana labha. Na medhaya. Na bahuna sutena. If you think that you are a very good scholar, university degree holder, then you will understand. No, this is not possible. So we must have spiritual strength. That source of spiritual strength is Balarāma. Krishna's next manifestation, Prakash Vigraha. Krishna is manifesting himself through Balarāma. So we have to take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu. Nitai Pada Kamala, Koti Chandra Sushi. Jechhavaya Jagat. The whole world is suffering. But if you want peace, then you take the shelter of Nityananda. Hanonitai Bina Bhai, Radha Krishna Paite, Virakari Haronitai Pa. Nityananda means always. Nitya means always. Ananda means pleasure. Therefore, if you have no connection with Nityananda Prabhu, se sambandha nahi ja. Vritha janma kare. It's simply wasting time. Vritha means useless. Uselessly is wasting time. Sei pasu bada duracha. And Nityānanda Thakur has used a strong one. Anyone who has no connection with Nityananda, he is a posu. Sei pasu. He is a posu, means animal. The animal, how one animal can get happiness, that's not possible. The dog From the childhood, he is searching after food. I cannot get food unless a dog has got a master. He is a street dog and is always unhappy. Better to become a dog of Nityananda Prabhu, then you shall be happy. Instead of becoming dog of so many other people. Everyone is dog. Everyone is searching after to serve a master. But none of them are satisfied because that is false master. You take real master, Nityananda Prabhu, you will be happy. Say Pasu Baraduraka. He does not know where is happiness, where I shall become a dog. That our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he has sung therefore. Vaishnava Thakur, Tomaro Kukur, Bolia Jano More. Dear Vaishnava Thakur, kindly accept me as your dog, as your dog. I am dog already, but I am Maya's dog. I am not Vaishnava's dog. So kindly accept me. If you become a Vaishnava's dog, Charya Vaishnava Seva, Nistar Peche Keva. If you do not become a dog of Vaishnava, and Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda is Guru, so if you do not become a dog of Nityananda Prabhu, Vaishnava or Guru, there is no question of happiness. Se sambandha nahi jaar, mitha janma. Sei pasu baro duracha. Nitai na bolilo mukhe, mojilo samsara. He has no connection with Nityananda Prabhu. And he does not say, Jai Nitai, Jai Go. Mojilo samsara. He thinks that this society, family, and society, friendship and love, divinely bestowed our man, this materialist person, they say like that. That is called Mojilo samsara. Samsara, there cannot be any soul, but he is attracted. Mojilo samsara. Vidya kule ki kori veda. What we will do is university education or born in a big family. It is not possible. Vidya kule ki. Why they are accepting this false ahankare mapta hiya, nitai padapasa hiya, asattere satya karimai. On account of being misled by false prestige and false egotism, asattere satya karimai. We are accepting this body, which not exist, and that we have taken as reality. Ahankara matsahiya, nitai pada phashahiya. But if we take center of Nityananda Prabhu, then we get the enlightenment. Asattere satya karimani, nitayar koruna have braje Radha Krishna prade, dara nitai charan. Everybody, Nityānanda Thakur advises that today is Nityananda Prabhu's appearance day. Let us at least remember today Nitai Pada Kamala. That is what Nitai Charana Satta Tahara Shivakandita. The reality is Nitai Charana, and anyone who is servant of Nitai, so Nitai Charana Satta Tahara Shivaka Nitya. One who has become the dog of Nityananda Prabhu, he gets his eternal life. We are eternal, but under misconception of material identification, we are under the subjugation of Maya, Tatha Dehanta. This is very bothersome, but do not know. Going from one body to another, transmigration, and that is not guaranteed what kind of body. They have no science, no knowledge about understanding Tatha Dehanta, the very first instruction of Bhagavad. They are so rusted and they are proud of their education, their university. This is going on. Nitai Charana Sattva Tahara Shivavan. Nitai Pada Sadakarvas. Therefore, we should always expect to be under the shelter of Nitai Pada Kamala Narattama Barodhyati. Nityānanda Thakur is Ācārya. He is presenting himself, that is Ācārya. He is not Dukhi, but he is presenting himself as Dukhi, that is Ācārya. Ācārya, they are never Dukhi, but taking the common man's position, he says, Narattama Barodhyati. Or in other words, Narottam. Narottam means the best of the human being. So here, in this material world, one may be the best of the human being, very exalted position, but everyone is Dukhi, unhappy. Narattama Barodhyati. Nitai Mane Kadashi. Only Nityananda can make me happy. Otherwise not possible. Rakha Ranga Charanere. So, today Nityananda Prabhu appearance there. We shall always pray, Nityananda Prabhu, kindly keep me under your shelter, so that I am very dukhi, I am very unhappy. Under the shelter of your lotus feet, I shall be happy. And that is real happiness. Thank you.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.